Yeah, try to open that. Go ahead. Try to open it. Go ahead. I dare ya. There. Got that on tape.
She's got a slippery case.
Hey. Hey, look at you. Yeah, let me in, let me in. You can't, that's too high. Yeah? Uh-oh. But look what I can do. I can get these open. I can get these open. What's in here? All kinds of fun stuff. Watch your fingers. Okay. No. No, you can't do it. No, I'm holding it shut. No, you can't do it. No. No, you can't do it. No. What? Need a piece of furniture in front of these drawers.